I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create Integrations. Select Academy LMS. Choose a form. User completes a lesson. Choose lesson. Next. Search and select FluentCRM for action. Click Connect to FluentCRM for authorization. Authorization is successfully done. Click Next. Here select the action as you want. Choose the tag and which tags you want to associate with the user. Map the email field and click Next. Now save the integrations. Now go to your other WordPress user. Go to the Academy LMS site. Enroll now. Start course. Now check the box to complete the course. Go to FluentCRM and check the tag is associated with list contact or not. You see the tag is associated with a list of contact. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching.